tonight is just going to be full of excitement. We have two clashes tonight. The first is Chocobus and Banker, the young, hype, energetic selectors. And then at the latter part of the night, we have the veterans, the legendary selectors, Ricky Trooper, and of course, Pink Panther. And then to bring more energy, we have Governor that's closing out the night. There's bucket deal available as well as there's water available because you have to drink responsibly.
Here we have a recognition award to Weepo Stone Love.
So this year we decided to recognize a few of the veteran selectors in Jamaica, and we decided that Stone Love was one of those sounds. Weepo from Stone Love, that is.
It made me feel like when I get the first award, when we say the first anniversary at 21. That was 29 years ago. Now I feel like I would kick it on or continue the journey to 100.
When we see man come and see with about 35 when I screw up in face, I'm just step out and say.
The vibes is right now. They are Guinness sounds of greatness. I'm not going to tell you lie. Sound clash culture is alive and well in Jamaica. And as you can see, corporate Jamaica, the crowd there.
Top 5, Adisha. All of the man, I love your brother.
You now bring the news for your friend and now instigate for your friend. Does it show me at 26 years the rubbish from a class chocolate? We just step out and say.
Banker demonstrated more command of the crowd.
The young sounds were very good. I was very impressed with the way how they conducted themselves and the way the tunes they played, the energy, the vibes that they created.
When them say shock about Guinness, I was like, whoa, all right then, I come do it. And you don't know me and my friend they out there, we put on a show and the crowd react good, we like it.
DJ Banker, our winner tonight of the clash on the streets.
Honestly, this is not my first clash. You know, I have a bit of experience. I think this is Shokabos' first clash. He was a bit nervous and he's a good friend of mine and I know his weakness. So because I know his weakness, I kind of focus on that point. And what I think he did wrong, him come and follow up. You know what I mean? But I think him do a good job. Sportsmanship, so big up Shokabos.
Some sound one clash, but them love me true. Boys in the class, boys tonight, in front of the motor. Someone love me true. That's why they're there. You are country boy, you go to that town panta. First of Jane, send some to the fair,
Ricky Trooper, and of course, Pink Panther. We're going to call it a draw tonight.
Them clash at you, a corporate something. I got to behave, you know. So I just keep it on a level. But the thing is, you say right now, we just do it for culture, car. It's about I love sound system business. The vibes are nice and everything, and we thank the people them. Same.
We never feel so well and still forward out and make it possible. And most of all, I love the turnout and culture we fight for so much years. Still going strong. Nothing can stop dancehall.
Guinness Sound of Greatness was a great night.
I enjoy the competition right now, so just I go there to enjoy myself. And once I enjoy myself, you know, the crowd are going to enjoy that. You know, so I bring forward the joy and just some happiness and just come hold a jar with the crowd. You see it? A whole lot of different projects lining up and things, and that's a whole heap of things. We just put together some whole heap of music for release in a few days time. Give your message, man. This is Governor, and you watch the release. See?